Okay, I'm back with you today again for another quick backpacking, bikepacking tip. These little bungees like this are worth their weight in gold, these little short ones. And the cool thing is, hey, you can pick up a pack of 6 of these at the Dollar Tree for $1. So they're cool. Again, the only thing I don't like about them here is obviously they're Chinese. The quality control on these isn't that great. Look at that hook there. It's got a very sharp little barb on it. And no, that's not just the plastic. That's actually the metal underneath the plastic. So if you get these, take the time to take that burr off there because you don't want that getting caught on your pack, on your gear, or like I typically do, cutting yourself with it. Because it will. It'll cut you right now. And you don't want to get blood all over your gear. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and take those barbs off there real quick. But again, hey man, for $1 for a pack of 6 of these, you really can't go wrong. I'll be back with you on the other side of this edit. So I went ahead and debarbed all those. As you can see, I just took mine to a sander. You can do whatever you want. You could do it with a pair of wire snips if you try hard enough. These hooks are actually really good quality metal, so they're actually pretty hard to cut through with wire cutters. But anyhow, like I said, a pack of 6 of these for $1. They're perfect size for strapping stuff to the exterior of a backpack, to the exterior of your pannier system, on your cycle, whatever. I absolutely love them, and at that price, I don't have to worry about losing them or cutting them if the case calls for it. That's it. Quick tip for you today. Thanks for watching, and of course, maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or checking out one of our other videos right here.